Wake up, it's a brand new day. Pack your bag, we're on our way. Books and pencils, lunch so sweet. School is fun, oh what a treat. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Hurry up, we must not waste. Wear your uniform so neat. March to school with happy feet. On the bus we laugh and sing. Happy voices, joy we bring. Friends are waiting, come and see. Learning time for you and me. In the classroom bright and fair, teacher greets us with great care. Letters, numbers, colors too. So much fun in all we do. At the playground, jump and run, slide and swing, it's so much fun. Sharing, caring, side by side. With my friends, I smile with pride. When the school day ends, we say, see you soon, another day. Home we go with stories sweet.